Now we're gonna move on to the exhaust system. And for the exhaust system, we have actually something really kind of fun to do. We have two different exhaust systems to try from AWE Tuning. We have the switch path CapEx exhaust system and we have the track exhaust system. One's a little louder, we're gonna try both, but before we do that, we're gonna get some stock revs to see how quiet this thing is right now. That's whack, it's quiet. Why does it sound terrible? Whoa. Why does that sound different?
That's M2.
All right, give me one on M2 then. Okay. That's a little bit better. Still pretty quiet though.
You just wait. You guys just wait, okay? We're bringing the heat. Give us a minute.
As Evan mentioned, this is our exhaust system. It's an AWE switch path